Hello everyone, it's Dave here and welcome back to Brighture's Learning English with Ease. In today's lesson, we'll learn the difference between H and F sound. Quick reminder, a free trial lesson and assessment is available here at Brighture. You can find that in our website, brighture-edu.com. To top that off, you will get a discount when you book right now. Just click on the link in the description box below and we'll see you in class. Students often get confused between the H and F sound, but they're completely different sounds. Now, I explained each of their mechanics in their own videos, so please check them out. To simply put, H is a sound from the throat, while F is a sound between the teeth and the lower lip. Let me say that again. H is a sound from the throat, while F is a sound between the teeth and the lower lip. H sound. Now, open your mouth a little bit. Now, the lips has to be relaxed. Now, push the air from your throat and say, ha, ha, ha. F sound. Upper teeth, lower lip, together. Push the sound between them. Fa, fa, fa. Let's practice some words together. First, observe how I produce these words. Hood, food, hood, food. Let's do it together. Hood, food. Let's have another one. Hull, full, hull, full. Together with me. Hull, full. Well done. One more. Whole, foal, whole, foal. Let's do it together. Whole, foal. A mistake that a lot of students commonly do is they produce the H and F sound as the same sound, like this. Foo, foo. Let's have some words. Commonly these two. Hood, food. They sound the same. Listen and look at my mouth. Hood, food. Now let's correct that. Both of them have different sounds. These words, I mean. First one, it's an H sound. Throat, hood. Second word, F sound. Food. Let's apply what we learned, the F and H sounds, in sentences. Now, let's read together. Place the food on the hood. Place the food on the hood. Good job. Now, for the next sentence, listen and observe my mouth first. Keep the hull full. Keep the hull full. Did you notice? Hull is correct. Full is incorrect. I'm producing the common mistake. Now, you must not do that rounding lip movement. Put the upper teeth and lower lip together. Full. Now, together with me with the correct one. Keep the hull full. Like that. Good job. Let's have one more. A foal falls in the foal. A foal falls in the foal. Did you notice that again? When I said the word whole, I was rounding my lips like this. Foal. Once again, let's correct that. Your mouth in H sound should be relaxed like this, not rounded. And then produce the air from the throat. Whole. Let's try this again, together with me. A foal falls in the hole. And that's it. Good job. If you want to keep improving, check out our other pronunciation videos. See you next time.